Today we will start with the chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Physical Features of India, where we will read about the physical features, what are the variations, what are the types of landforms we can see. We will read about this. Before starting my lesson, I need to say that here is a map of India. From there you can see it is of great area. So the physical variation, the physical features variation will be vast, and many other landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, all we can see in India. These are made up of mainly two processes, and that is erosion and deposition. When we are talking about the various processes which are forming in India, this is of plate tectonic theory. All the processes follow mainly plate tectonic. Now, what is plate tectonic? The earth crust is made up of various plates or slabs which are moving, and these movement can be of various types, like when the plates are moving towards, these are known as convergent plate boundary. When the plates are going away from each other, these are known as divergent plate boundary, and when the plates are going parallel to each other, this will be known as transform plate boundary. Here, as we are reading various physical features of India, so we have to know what are the physical features. Now, India is being divided into 6 physical divisions, and these divisions are: number 1, that is the Himalayan mountains, which we can found in the northern portion of India. This is Himalayan mountain. Number 2 is the northern plains. The northern plains will be found in the southern portion of northern mountains. This whole lot of place will be the northern plain. And the third one will be the peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateau consists of the Deccan plateau and the central highlands. This whole portion will be coming under the central highland. And the fourth one will be the Indian desert. Mostly we can get it in the western part of India, that is in Rajasthan region, that is Thar desert. And the fifth one will be the coastal plain. So coastal plain will be of two areas, that is western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plain. Okay, and the sixth one, the last one, will be the islands. So dear students, you have to remember this, the 6 physical divisions. I am repeating again. The Himalayan mountain is in the northern portion of India. The northern plains, that is just below the northern mountains. And the third one is the peninsular plateau, that is the central portion, and a few portion is in southern portion. And the Indian desert, which is the western side of India, and the coastal plain, which is of 2 coastal plains, eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. The sixth one will be the islands, that is all the islands we can see the Lakshadweep Islands and Andaman and Nicobar Island. In the next class, we will discuss about each of them. In the next class, we will start from the Himalayan mountains. This is all about today's class. Thank you, dear students.